Okay, hi guys. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to track your links. This is a big topic recently, particularly for members of my personal marketing system here. This video is also very useful for people who are just simply advertising their businesses, different kinds of businesses. Affiliate type businesses, network marketing businesses, or whatever. That you can have a number of different ways on how to track your links. And people have been asking me within my marketing system, how can we track the process of being able to get leads and what they're doing, where they're coming from, and so on. Now, I'm working on a solution for my personal marketing system anyway, but we do have an option for people to add in a tracking code within for Google Analytics. So the Google Analytics option is in there, and you can click save. If you're advertising on Facebook, doing Facebook ads, paid ads, you can put your Facebook Pixel ID in there. So for now, that's what we have as an option. We've got a few other options that I'm going to talk about later on, and also there are some options in the works. But for now, just want to say a really good tracking option, and this platform here at LeadsLeap, which you can join for free on the link below. It's a great platform where you can advertise your links. You've got a huge amount of advertising opportunity. You've got a number of marketing tools such as autoresponder, follow-up messages, broadcasting. You got drag and drop page builder. You can create full-blown funnels. You can create, you've got link rotators, so you can create a rotator service for your team to send traffic to your entire team. You can even stick ad bars on your, top ad bars that look really cool, like giving scarcity on your links. There's a number of things you can do, even with your affiliate links, which is it's amazing. The other thing you can do is you can actually cloak your links. You can do link tracking, which is the page I'm on here now, which is really what I'm talking about. You can you can cloak your links, and you can also just use it as a tracking and also a mask tool. Okay, so masking your links, which is very useful for people who are marketing their businesses. So let me get straight to the point. What you do is, if you've got a link to promote on your affiliate program, if you're part of an affiliate business or a business opportunity of some sort, and you've got a link that's coded to you, your own link, you can copy that and you can just simply put that in there, okay, and then just add that, and it becomes a link. Now, if you're a pro member, you can customize the link, the look of the link. But if you're a free member, you can still use this tool, but there are certain features that you may not be able to use. I'm a pro member, so I'm just going to show you what I have on my personal dashboard. Now, I've got a link here. Now, you can also do further tracking as well by putting in codes at the end of your URL. So, for example, if you're tracking Facebook, you can type in Facebook at the end there and just copy that whole thing. And then you can track it, so you know where they're coming from. If you just posted an ad on Facebook, for example, and the traffic goes to that ad, you'll be able to group that traffic, where that is. For example, if I just copy that out and I just put into a new tab. And the other thing you can do is you can make sure it works with both HTTP and HTTPS. Nowadays, obviously, you want to type in that S. You want to make sure it's got that S in there, so it's a secure connection. If you don't put that in there, your leads will get errors probably on their browser if their browser security is set kind of strictly. So just enter, and you notice the lock icon here. It means that the connection is secure. And although now I'm viewing my own personal page on my marketing system, okay, which is coded to me. It's an affiliate link to my marketing system. However, notice that the URL didn't change. That's because it's cloaked. All right. So if you go back here, now that I've loaded that page, I can go back here. I can click refresh, and I can check my stats. So down here on where you've added your link, I can just go here to check my stats. I've only just recently added this link, so there's not much data to go with. But if you go down here and you can look at the sources, you got YouTube, which is I did a test before, and you've got Facebook. Now, I'm going to go through these various options. It also tracks the country as well. So there are a few things, and you can also type notes. You can put notes for yourself. So basically, the total hits I got was 1. Obviously, it's just me going to that link. The unique is 1, okay, because well, in this case, it's basically tracking the same traffic for the same URL, actually, because although I got, because it's me, I'm the one who's actually visiting this link, so that's why it's 0 here, because I'm the same person. So although I technically have 2 hits, one coming from YouTube and one coming from Facebook, there's only one real person going in, and the response obviously is 100% because it's because it's me. Now this is interesting. This is something that I'm going to be potentially trying to use and trying to implement somehow into my marketing system. It's very useful for people who, particularly for people who have access to the HTML code of their pages. It's not going to work very well for people who are just promoting affiliate programs, because you need to have access. What you can do here is where it says convert A and convert B, you can always just get help here, and there's also an FAQ section at the top here, which is very detailed in what all this works, how all this works. But you can click this link here, and it'll give you a pixel, a kind of a code, and you can put that into the source code of your pages. For example, tracking code for convert A could be put into an opt-in page, an opt-in confirmation page, if you know what I mean. This is the sort of second page. All right, so first they go to a capture page. You don't need to put anything in there, but then on the thank you page or the confirmation page, you could put the convert A in there into the HTML code, and then on the convert B, you could put another code. This is a unique code, and you could put that into maybe after they signed up, or maybe after they made a sale, or kind of the sales confirmation page, if you see what I mean. Now, this wouldn't be useful for people who didn't have access to their own pages, but if in the case of if you were an affiliate, you still may have a funnel, and you could do this all within LeadsLeap as well. So let's say, for example, you have a capture page, okay, initially, and you can even build capture pages within LeadsLeap itself. So you don't need to put any code onto the capture page. But then what you need to do is you then need to have maybe a bridge page. You could have a bridge page, and then you could put the convert A tag into the bridge page. Okay, so then they go to there, and maybe from that bridge page they go and sign up for a business opportunity or a step 1 or something like that, or they have to take action somewhere. But that's fine. There's nothing you can see if they sign up for a particular business opportunity, of course. But what you do is you put this code into the bridge page or something on the step 2 on the second page of your funnel, and then you could put the convert B on a further step. If you've got some other steps that they need to take on another page. Okay, so you've probably seen it before. You've built a funnel yourself, maybe, and you've got a capture page that redirects them to a bridge page or something, and then that's the page you put the convert A in there. Okay, and then they have a next step, something that they need to take action further, and then you could put the code into a next page or whatever, just so that you can see where they're going and you can track the whole thing. So that your initial link, when you click here, you could just initially have some tags in here like Facebook or YouTube or something like that. So you're tracking the initial landing of the lead landing on your page, but then you're able to track further of where they sort of end up next in the funnel, if you see what I mean. So I know I'm getting on a bit of a tangent here, because I want to make this video more wide and more broader, so that not just people in my marketing system could figure out how to use this, but also people who are promoting other businesses or other platforms, or using this system, because LeadsLeap is a fabulous platform for literally any marketer out there who needs these kind of tools. So there's really there's all kinds of things. I haven't used this anything like as much as I should, and I'm really going to start using this. And I'm gonna figure out a way to put in these codes into the funnel of my marketing system. But it's not so easy because the ID here that you see within the code is unique to each member. So I have to figure out a way of allowing members to be able to at least put in a code so that it shows up on their individual landing pages, and that's the hard part. So but we're just gonna, because they have to be independent from each member of my marketing system. But this would be a great option to allow people to know what's going on with their traffic and that sort of thing. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope that helps. In any case, those of you who need a tracking tool, this is a great tool to use for whatever business you're promoting. And you can also use it internally within LeadsLeap when you use the landing page builder system to create entire funnels, capture pages, landing pages, thank you pages, bridge pages, you name it, and you can put all these codes in there. And then when you send traffic or even advertising right on this same platform, you can see where they're going, what they're up to, and you can also do you can build a list right within this platform. Okay, you can set up a mailing list. You can do email follow-up series. I've even got share codes for you for Paraiba business. You can send out broadcasts. You can do an entire team rotator. Okay, as I've said. And there are a number of things. So really, one platform to do it all. Normally you would have to pay $20, $25, $20, $50 a month for individual tools, like just to have a mailing list system or a page builder alone would cost you a lot of money per month. But then some people are paying another $25 a month for tracking tools like ClickMagick and other tools like that. And then you need another tool because you want to set up a traffic rotator system for your entire team, so you can share out the traffic to your entire team. And then you need more money to spend on advertising. But with a pro account, a free account you can still advertise, but with a pro account, one set monthly fee, which is less than $20, you get absolutely everything. Okay, normally you'd mount up the prices of all the different tools that you would need elsewhere, would easily come to a couple of hundred, several $100s a month. But here you get it all in one place, and you just stick to one set fee. In fact, guys, I'm not even paying for this anymore, because I'm promoting this, I'm getting people into this, and I got pro members underneath me, and I'm earning commissions. I'm able to use that money as my main payment processor to pay for this entire system, and it pays for itself. So I can have all my advertising, my tools, my everything, my list building, everything all in one place, and my tracking and everything. So 100%, guys, you can make money from this system. You can advertise using this system. You can track. You can build your list. You can you can do everything with it. All right, so I highly recommend it. I've just done some reviews as well. I've just posted some reviews. You can also post reviews and get more traffic and followers. So there are so many different aspects and advertising opportunities right on this platform. Not only just the advertising itself, but also writing reviews, communicating and connecting with your followers, and sending messages. And there's some ways you can automate that as well, and also share out your affiliate links to promote this system and make money. So that it becomes a free platform in itself. Anyway, hope you like the tool. Get on the link below. Look forward to working with you, and chat soon. Bye for now.